Hey guys, it's Ashley and I'm at our newest listing, 1815 Cedar Ridge, Unit A, here in Jefferson City. This is a very centrally located townhome here in Jeff City. This townhome has it all. So much space. You have 3 bedrooms. Also, you have an office as well. Beautiful hardwood floors, lots of updates throughout. You can see the beautiful granite countertops, this great gas range. You also have in the back here off the kitchen, you have a screened-in porch, finished family room downstairs, and also 2 bedrooms downstairs as well, a covered patio downstairs, 2-car garage. This home has been so well taken care of. Also has a newer tankless water heater as well. So come on in and take a look inside.